So the stepper motor or servo sits on this, spins this guy, which got a concentric cam on there, which pushes the door handle out. And interestingly, uses these little contacts, I think, to know when to stop running. So one down probably tells it that it's started actuating, and that second one is at full extension. And then for the actual door handle, when I pull out here, it's a separate, it's basically another concentric cam, which is actually hinged and levered inside here, which hinges or levers this down, and the cable goes up through this around.